all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Surat Suresh. Well, over the past few days, we have been speaking about the different kind of symptoms that COVID-19 is bringing or is triggering in a person. But one thing which we have to look at is how the organs are affected, because we have seen COVID-19 is no more just for the lungs or just for the respiratory tract illness, but it has been affecting many other organs as well. And in particular, it has been the heart condition as well. According to a study which was conducted by the US, it is said that 55% of the US citizens had heart conditions. Not just that, even according to the Cell Journal, there was a study which was published which showed that COVID-19 actually affects the heart cells as well. Now, if this is the condition, does COVID-19 have a long-lasting effect on the heart? Well, this is one question which needs to be addressed, and probably we have to start thinking about the same. Even before we understand whether or not it has a long-lasting effect, let's first understand what are the symptoms or what are the conditions that COVID-19 actually brings about, the heart conditions which it brings about. In particular, cardiologists have said that there are possibilities that there will be inflammation of tissues, the heart tissues, which can also result in highering of the blood pressure. So let's listen in what the cardiologists have to say regarding the conditions that COVID-19 patients undergo.
As far as the heart is concerned, it can cause damage either directly or quite often because of the immune reactions that are caused by the body, and that immunological reaction itself can damage the heart muscle through what is known as myocarditis. It can also cause heart attacks or even stroke because of it affects the blood vessels and the blood supply to the heart itself or to the brain. It can cause a large number of irregularities in the heartbeat called arrhythmias.
Well, there you heard it. These are a few of the conditions. One important factor is there are two types of problems which COVID-19 recovered patients usually face, or the COVID-19 patients in general. The minor issues are there where will be long-lasting fever, which most of the COVID patients will have. But on the other hand, there are major problems. What are these major problems? Major problems, as per the cardiologists as well as pulmonologists, they have been saying that lung fibrosis or the damaging of the lung tissue can take place, or there could be heart problems. So what is the treatment like for these conditions? Well, here you go.
For example, if there is myocarditis, then there is a different kind of treatment to reduce the inflammation as well as treat the effects of the heart failure. In terms of deep vein thrombosis or thrombosis in the arteries, then you require blood thinners or anticoagulation. If there is irregularity of the heartbeat or arrhythmia, then there are different kinds of medicines that are prescribed.
Well, now hope we have addressed what happens during COVID-19 to these patients. What is the treatment? Now we come to the main point, whether or not COVID-19 will have a long-lasting effect on their heart. Will heart conditions prolong for some more time even after recovering from COVID-19? This is one of the major questions. Probably there are several other facts which are going about. There are several myths about it. We bring to you a fact here, cardiologist explaining how probably this will not continue, or the heart conditions may not prolong once they recover from COVID-19, because their immune system or the immunity would have developed and they will be able to combat COVID-19.
Even after they are cured of the COVID, the myocarditis and the weakness of the pumping may last, and that will require a standard management like any other heart failure management. It is possible, it can be done well. Only thing is we have to watch in the long run that it should not go downhill. It may remain, it will improve, or it may remain the same, or it may go downhill. And the third one will be very serious situation. But today we have many drugs, many ways and modalities of managing heart failure.
Well, yes, now probably you might not have heart conditions, but at the same time, you will have to be aware of your surroundings. Personal hygiene is the best way to go forward with it as well. So probably now we have proved to you that probably heart conditions will not prolong, but at the same time, you will have to ensure that you are put at home, you do not venture outside, and also maintain your personal hygiene. If you've liked this video, do hit the like button, leave your comments in the comment section below, subscribe to News9 Digital on all the social media platforms. Until next time, thank you.